In continuation to the previous video, we're going to see about the unsustainable to sustainable development. This is Dr. C. Sonia, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Energy demanding activities. Actually, these energy demanding activities, it appears in developing countries. Urban, uncontrollable and unplanned growth. So this is mainly due to the population growth, that is the dense population that is prevailing in the country because of increasing standards of living. The urban people usage large energy, materials and produces lot of waste. Example to be noted are the residential and commercial lightings, transportation, industrial growth, modern life using a large number of electric gadgets, control prevention of pollution needs more energy dependent technologies. Solution for the urban energy problem. Urban people may use public transport instead of using the motorcycle and cars. Energy consumption must be minimized by in all means. Production capacity should be increased. Use of energy efficient technology can be implemented using solar energy and wind energy, as these are the renewable energy sources. So these are few solutions of the urban energy problems. Water conservation. So water is called the elixir of life. The process of saving water for the future utilization is known as the water conservation. Rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation are some of the conservation techniques in water. So, what's the need to conserve water? Better lifestyle require more fresh water. With population increase, the requirement also increases. Deforestation leads decrease in the annual rainfall. So, afforestation should be done. So, population control also should be done, and over exploitation of the groundwater leads to drought. So we should avoid over exploitation of the groundwater. Then agriculture industries require more fresh water. We have to adopt the technologies where less amount of water can be utilized. Strategies of water conservation. There are few strategies, that is reducing evaporation losses. In humid region, evaporation loss can be reduced by placing horizontal barriers of the asphalt below the soil surface, which can increase the water availability and crop yield. So this is a good technique where the evaporation can be reduced. Reducing irrigation losses, that is, when we adopt to sprinkling irrigation, drip irrigation, hybrid crop varieties, irrigation in early morning and in late evening. So this helps in reducing the water losses in the irrigation process. Reuse of water. Treated wastewater used for irrigation. Grey water from washing bathrooms can be used for washing cars and watering gardens. Preventing wastage of water. Closing the tap when not in use. Repairing the leakage from pipes. Using small capacity taps. So these are some small activities that can be used to prevent the wastage of water. Decreasing runoff losses, that is in the counter cultivation. When there's a counter cultivation, terrace forming, so there is no runoff of water. The water will be utilized in the agriculture process. Avoid discharge of sewage. Discharge of sewage into the natural sources of water should be avoided completely. So there are many methods of conservation of waters, but the following are the very important one: rainwater harvesting and water management system, that is capturing and storing of rainwater for future utilization. What is the need or objective? To meet the increasing demands of water, to raise the water table, to reduce the groundwater contamination, to reduce the surface runoff loss, to reduce stormwater runoff, soil erosion, to minimize water crisis, water conflicts. So the needs are very important. So there is a need to there is conserve and harvest the water. Thank you. We'll see the next water conservation system in detail in the next